Hello, I'm Dan. Today I'm going to tell you about solar system. Here's our sun, and our sun was the biggest planet in the solar system. Nothing can be bigger than the sun. It is the biggest object in the solar system. It is light as the light can go to Earth. And here's Mercury. Mercury is a rock planet. Mercury is the smallest planet, and it is one thing to know about Mercury, that Mercury is the fastest planet. It only takes 88 days to spin around the sun, and it was the closest planet from the sun. It looked like the moon, but no one wants to visit Mercury. After Mercury is Venus. Venus was the second rock planet. So some people call it Earth sister because it looks close from the Earth. But they have different surface. In Venus, it is very hot. It was the hottest planet in the solar system, and it was the brightest planet. After Venus, it comes Earth. Earth was the third planet. You know about Earth because you live on Earth. On Earth, you will learn about nature, and Earth was the third rock planet. And Earth has a moon. Earth has one moon. In the moon, there were craters, and there was no weather. And after Earth, there's come Mars. Mars is a red planet. Scientists don't know why. And Mars is and Earth is the biggest rock planet. Mars has 2 moons, but they are not round as Earth's moon. Scientists are not sure that the Mars moons has destroyed by the rocks. And next there are rocks divide. The rocks divide into here's rock. This one is rock planet, and this one is gas planet. After Mars comes Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant. That is very big. If you put other planets together with Jupiter, Jupiter is still heavier than those planets if you put together. Jupiter is covered by storms and lightnings and dust too. And you can see Jupiter without the telescope. Jupiter is the biggest planet, and you can't land on Jupiter because it is made of gas, and there's nothing to land. Gas planet. I have one thing to know about gas planet. Even robots can't land on the gas planet. After Jupiter comes Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the solar system, and it has a beautiful ring. Scientists are not sure that's why Saturn has ring. That's because Saturn is a gas planet. Many rocks come close to it, and they break into small pieces and makes a beautiful ring. And Saturn ring are made of ice, rocks, and dust. They are gas, and after these two planets comes giant gas planets like Uranus and Neptune. Next comes Uranus, the seventh planet in the solar system. Its colors is bright blue. Scientists don't know why. But Uranus has a beautiful color. Uranus has many eyes, and next after Uranus is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun, and it was the slowest. It takes many years to go around the sun. Remember Mercury has only take 88 days to spin around the sun, but Neptune has to take 164 million years to spin around the sun, and it was the windiest planet in the solar system. Next, after Neptune was Pluto. Pluto was not a planet. Scientists believe that because Pluto don't spin around the sun. And there are five dwarf planets. I only know two types of dwarf planets. They are Pluto and Hyome. Pluto was not a planet because scientists believe that it don't spin around the sun. And Pluto is very, very small. It is even smaller than the Earth. It is smaller than other stars, sun, and moons. But some other planets are bigger than Pluto. After Pluto comes Hyome. Hyome is an oval planet. And back to Sun. Sun is 5,000. It is the hottest object in the solar system. It is 5,000 and
5,000 degree.
5,000 degree, and far away in the dark space. that there are galaxies and black holes. And here's a black hole. This black hole can 66 billion stars can go into this black hole. Nothing can escape from this black hole. Here comes the kind of black holes. Here is the smallest black hole, and I don't know its name. Here comes the biggest black hole. That first, the galaxy. That is the life cycle. Firstly, it is all the planets goes very fast and makes rocks. The rocks make galaxy. The galaxies make black holes. The black holes were young, then it grow up, then it died. And here comes the bigger black hole. And to know more about black holes, smallest black holes get bigger and bigger every day. And I have great news. 10 times stars bang each other and makes a black holes. Here comes a galaxy. This galaxy has each galaxy has 4 million stars in it. And here come bad news. Rocks. And here come rocks. The rocks fall into the earth and kill the dinosaurs.
Do you mean meteorite?
Meteorite. Some meteorite fall into the water of the earth. That is only 0.3 earth. That is fresh water. And some creatures live in the ocean too. Ithomimos live in the ocean. They move extremely fast to get away from the enemies. And when the meteorite falls in the ocean, in the water, creatures that live in the also disappear. Here comes the biggest black holes. The biggest black holes. You can find the biggest black holes at the spot of the galaxy. As the galaxy times 196. And that is something I can tell you about our solar system.
Excellent. Okay, thank you so much for your presentation. I have a question for you.
No. This black hole is as wide as 11 solar system.
Okay. So, can I have a question? You say that about Mercury, it takes Mercury 88 days to spin around the sun, and it takes millions of years for Uranus and Neptune to spin around the sun. So how about the Earth? Do you know how long it takes the Earth?
1 hour a day. 24 hours.
No, do you know how long it takes the Earth to spin around the sun? To finish a spin?
24 hours. Okay, 24 hours is 1 day, so it takes 24 hours. 1 hour a day. Mom,